What's going on, guys? So in this video, I'm gonna show you that dropshipping and e-commerce, even though it's my bread and butter, is not really the only way to make money online. So I brought my girlfriend right here, who actually makes over $5,000 a month, doing almost nothing.
Basically, almost nothing. A little something.
A little something.
But basically nothing.
Yeah. So we're gonna talk about how she got started, what exactly she does, and how she's able to make over $5,000 a day being
A day. That would
No,
be nice.
no. A month.
That would
a
be
month.
nice.
a month. Being a couch potato.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, basically.
All right, let's get into it. Alright guys, so I'm sure you're eager to know exactly what she does, but first I want to ask her a few questions to kind of understand how she got started, how she came across this, and everything in between. First thing, introduce yourself.
I am Cheyenne. I'm Pamela's girlfriend.
Watch out. I'm watching anyone trying to slid in angles.
That's kind of all you need to know.
That's all?
Yeah.
Alright.
I have a puppy.
Oh, she has a puppy who's sleeping right now. So, first question is, how did you come across what you're currently doing?
It was probably a year and a half ago, and I was working as a hotel receptionist, and I did not like it. And I was also going to school. I was in college, and it was making me sad. So I quit. I just up and quit. I didn't have any plans. I just up and I was like, I can't do this anymore. I'm just going to quit my job, and I quit. No plan.
No plan.
And then you told me that I needed money, and so I started driving Uber Eats.
Yeah.
But then that also made me sad because I hated driving around all day and being all alone. So then you told me to go do this thing online, and then I took it and ran with it.
And you're
So
happy
that's
with
all
that?
good.
Are you sad?
Oh no, I'm not sad anymore.
You're happy?
Yeah, I'm happy now.
That's good. Alright, so second question is, what does your day look like? Like I mentioned, you barely do anything, so what does your day look like?
Well, I wake up around 5:30 or 6 a.m. every single morning the past few days since I got my puppy.
Cap. What?
Just
You
because
wake up
she
at
has
5?
to pee. She wakes me up and she has to pee. So then she pees and then we go back to sleep. And we wake up around 11. And then we eat breakfast.
That's not breakfast.
No, we eat breakfast at 11 because we go back to sleep. We eat breakfast at 11. And then we move to the couch and we watch some TV. And then she sleeps and then she has to pee again.
So,
And then we eat more.
so you're telling me your day is pretty much being a couch potato.
Yes. Yes.
And how do you like that?
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
It's my happy place.
Whatever works for you. So the next question is, what's the best and worst thing about what you do?
The best thing is that I get to be a couch potato as much as I want. And I still have no finances to worry about. I can lay around, I can work from my couch or not work from my couch, but I just have the freedom to do anything that I want at any time. There's nobody that I have to answer to, there's nobody that I have to talk to, I just do what I want every single
Gotcha.
morning.
So
The worst thing, I think sometimes the worst thing is that I don't have any coworkers.
I don't think
And I
that's the
can't-
worst thing. I think a lot of people would love not to have coworkers.
Well, working from home by yourself is not for everybody. Like, obviously, I would prefer to work at home and not have coworkers, but sometimes you just get a little lonely.
Yeah, the dog.
Yeah, that's why I got a puppy.
I mean,
So
you
I'll
can
be
face
okay
that.
now. Yeah.
Be okay. So that's the worst part.
Yeah, but now that worst part is gone because I have a puppy, so I don't know if there is a worst part.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah.
So now let me ask you the question that a lot of people are here for. What exactly do you do?
I am a sales copywriter.
So what does that mean? What is that?
So if we're gonna talk to the dropshipping people, basically I write the content for your sales pages, your funnels, your emails, your ad copy, your websites. I will write all of that content. It's
Okay.
copywriting.
Copyright. And I've seen it. You know, I've looked at what she does. I just wanted to kind of share that with you guys. But I've seen you do a few projects where I saw this one time you're doing like like a 2-line caption. And how much were you charging for that?
That one was about $85.
$85
For one ad copy.
So my question is, why would people pay that much for literally a sentence?
Because that's how much I charge. I tell them that that's how much it costs, and they
But
don't
why
know
don't they
how,
do it themselves?
because they don't know how to write it. Sales copy is very simple if you break it down and you know how to use words. I mean, I write your ad copy because sometimes you just don't know how to put the words together in the best way for your audience to relate to it. And I can't. And they don't know how. And so I tell them how much they have to pay for it.
Where do you find these people that you charge this much from?
On Fiverr. One of the main platforms I work through is Fiverr, which is a freelancing platform. They have way more than just writers. They have all kinds of freelancers. But basically, I just have listings, they're called gigs, up on Fiverr for sales copy and brand building. And people just message me.
Do that?
Yep.
And then, is it easy to jump into? Can anyone just jump in and do it?
Yes and no. Technically, it's fairly simple, but there are so many things that you have to know to be able to do, like speaking with clients to secure gigs, how to present your services, how to package what it is you do in a way that people will want to buy from you.
Gotcha. So, you're probably also wondering this, but how much time on average do you spend, doing this a day?
Sometimes I just don't do anything.
So you don't work at all?
Sometimes, yeah. Probably the past couple days I haven't done hardly anything.
But you still make the same amount of money?
Well, yeah. But if I am, I'll like send messages to clients through the day that are asking me questions and stuff. But for the most part, like if I am working on a project that day, it usually takes me like an hour.
So on average you spend around an hour a day?
Yeah.
Sometimes less than that?
Sometimes less than that, yeah.
The only time that I've seen her work longer than an hour a day is when she was working on her ebook. Mm-hmm. What was the ebook about?
About sales copywriting for beginners and how to be successful on Fiverr.
So it's pretty much like a guide to do what you do.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Actually, what I'll do is you have it done.
Mm-hmm.
You haven't completed.
Yeah.
Okay. How long did you work on that?
That was months. That was months that I had to like actually do work, but it's done. It's done.
All right. So if you guys want to actually grab her ebook, I'll put the link down in the description so you can go check it out. And if you want to do what she does and be a couch potato, you can definitely go ahead and check it out. So, the last question that I have for you is, can you show us what it actually looks like? Can you show us like one of your orders?
Yeah, on my handy dandy phone. That is
can
also.
You screen record it?
Yes, that is also. My phone is now a tax write-off. So.
Who's your tax person? I don't think that's how it works.
Cool. That is how it works. Okay. Anyways, let's see here.
So I see 220, 340. That's like individual orders.
Yeah. These
so
are all the orders
people
that
pay you
right
up to like almost $400.
Well, these ones are building their brand, so like writing their mission statements and defining who their brand is. So it's a little bit more than copyright.
And anyone can actually learn this, right? It's not. Is it complicated? Like you have to be like a natural born writer to do this?
It helps, but you don't have to.
All right, sounds good. So, all right, guys. So this is the last question that I had for her. So if you enjoyed this content and got some value out of it, and you want us to do a part 2, all you have to do is get this video to 1,000 likes.
1,000 likes?
Aren't you worth 1,000 likes?
Okay, yeah, my kind is expensive. 1,000.
So if you get this video to 1,000 likes, and go ahead and comment what you want to know more of, so we can kind of go in detail in the second video. We'll make it happen. So go ahead, do your part, give this video a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, like I said, go ahead and leave a comment. Let us know what type of videos that you want us to make, and we'll make it happen. With that being said, we'll see you in the next one. Come on, we'll see you in the next one. So, if you guys enjoy this type of content, and actually, let's redo that. Let's redo that one. All right, guys. So, if you enjoy, all right, let's do it. All right, awesome. So, oh my God. Okay, let's redo this again.